Okay, we got a treat for you. We are at Mr. Gadget's house. He's got a 22 Street Glide Special. He's gonna mount a Klock Werks 8.5 windshield on it. What other upgrades have you made to your bike?
I got the, which cheap right on the pegs, but I really like them. I don't remember what I gave for them. I didn't go Harley on the...
Those bad boy cycles there.
Bad boy cycles, because they were actually cheaper than Harley's, and Harley's was 1 inch. I think these are 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches. I don't remember. The RWD RS1 shocks, #1 upgrade, by the way. And
the lower fairing wind deflectors.
oh yeah, lower fairing. See, I already forgot about those. Lower fairing wind deflectors here. And getting ready to put it on.
This bike is midnight crimson and black.
Still got the White Sands National Monument dust all over it. I had this set up because I went down to Barnett Harley Davidson and actually got their demo 8.5 windshield to make sure it worked. The way it is now, I can see about, if I slouch, which I normally do when I ride, I can see about 4 center lines ahead. If I set up, I can see about 2 center lines ahead. Once I get the saddleman seat, which I'm going to order whenever I get back, I should be able to see all the way to the front wheel of the bike. This thing is also kind of hard to get out right here for some reason.
Got it. Pop it forward.
There we go. Keep that out in the barn. Take a look around. You can see why he calls me Mr. Gadget. I got about everything, and this is only probably a third of it. The rest of it's out in the other building.
He's Mr. Gadget because he has almost every tool known to man. It's not confirmed, but it's not denied. I keep saying that Lowe's borrows tools from him.
And I did just opening the box yesterday, but I did not take it out. So this is actually the unboxing. I didn't get this from the Klock Werks. I wish I had, but they didn't have any in stock.
But it's still a Klock Werks windshield, right?
Yeah, it's still Klock Werks windshield. I wanted to order it through Klock Werks because I was going to order some of that cleaner like you got.
Yeah, that cleaner works good because I used it when we got back from White Sands. All those bugs, yeah. Got a razor blade?
Yeah, I got something just as good. Actually, I do have razor blades, I think.
So, you came off a BMW 1600 to a Harley.
Yeah.
How do you like the Harley compared to it?
Well, like the difference between daylight and dark. The 1600 was, power-wise, the 1600 would leave this thing in the dust, but I don't ride that fast no way. And, but the weight was up high. And last 3 times I dropped the bike, I couldn't get it up by myself, so I knew it was time to get rid of it. But this one, knock on wood, if I had any wood, I haven't dropped it yet. Give me just a second, I'll go grab the box cutter.
Okay. And he also has an OTC Jack. These things are great jacks. $330 with tax from Granger. They had it there the next day. Yeah. That's a pretty bike, except it looks black most of the time. Like when it's dark, like right now, it looks black. But it's midnight crimson and black.
Yeah, I heard you mention the OTC Jack. I like that thing. I can actually jack this motorcycle up and spin it right around in a circle inside here.
Don't cut your finger. Don't cut your finger.
Hey, I've done it before. My view is if you don't have a little blood on you after you work on something, you didn't do it right.
Did you get clear or dark smoke?
Got dark smoke.
Okay.
So I'm hoping the 1 inch on the saddle seat when I get it will be high enough to not make me regret getting the dark smoke.
Oh, my brother put that clear shield on my Ultra Classic. Oh, is it the Freedom? Is that it? Freedom or Liberty?
Yeah,
Freedom,
I think.
Yeah, Freedom. Oh, I don't like the look of those. Yeah, Klock Werks makes a nice product. I just wish they had, what, a 7.5. I mean, the 6.5 would be great for running around town, but for some long distance, I want something an inch higher, half an inch higher.
Well, I put 199 miles on that clear demo windshield, that 8.5 Klock Werks, and basically I was looking over top of it. So it should be okay. Get this peeled up a little bit. No, I don't have none on the back, so that's good.
Might need to peel that left side a little bit more. There you go. You gonna keep the Klock Werks logo on, or are you taking it off?
I think I'm gonna leave it on. Well, I said a few minutes ago, I heard her talking to her mother in Virginia. Said, "You putting on a windshield?" I said, "I don't know how much you paid for it." And I said, "You don't want to know."
Oh, they're not too bad.
Right.
Klock Werks, pretty good price.
With taxes, this was a little bit over, about $230, I believe, something like that. I don't remember.
Yeah, I think they're what, 122, 130, something on their website. Did it not click in?
There we go. Went too far down.
Okay. Yeah, we're waiting on our other neighbor. We're supposed to go riding today. Go get a green chili double.
Yeah, if he don't show up, we might have to go anyway.
Well, I have his number. I could always text him, see what he...
There we go.
Yeah, those... Those indentions on that shield are so much more than the 6.5.
You duck down behind that demo I had on coming back from Hatch, New Mexico, getting their green chili double. You couldn't even feel the wind behind it. Come on now. There we go. I think I finally just caught it. There we go.
You made sure the long screw's in the center, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's wax. What's going on here? Change the windshield out half a dozen times and I have a problem getting it on camera and I screw it up. Oh, here we go. Come up a little bit. Make sure I don't have it too tight over here. We don't want to over tighten this.
Yep. So those brass fittings don't pull out.
There we go.
Looking good, looking good.
We won't look too hard at all those New Mexico bugs on there.
Can you drop your bike down just a little bit just so the tires are touching? I want to sit on this thing. I just want to see how high that is compared to that 6.5.
This is actually out of my Sears socket set. But I decided to go ahead and carry it in my motorcycle because it's got a lot of gadgets that I can use.
Well, at least those roofers finally got a hold of me today, so just need to wait for them to have a time or a date to come fix my roof. Been waiting over a month for it.
It's on there if you want to get on
Okay.
and see.
All right. And then that seat's gonna, yeah, that probably will be perfect for you because that settlement's gonna raise you up like 2 inches.
Yeah, it brings me up at least 1, I know. 1 inch will make the difference. Like I said.
Wow, these Gadget sure are a lot more.
It does create a bubble around you when you're riding it.
Yeah, but you do get right here, you get a,
Yeah, get a little distortion.
yeah. Alrighty.
I just couldn't bring myself to get a lighter one. I wanted dark smoke simply for the fact that
All right, so we installed the new windshield. Before we end this, got a question for you. Why do you think so many women ride road glides?
it's the girl's bike.
Okay, it's a girl's bike. You heard it. Have a good one. Thanks for stopping by. See you.